Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria Marie, and today we're going to be doing a cooking with me video with my mom. Hi! And so we're going to be making Pelau. This is like my favorite food, and she was going to show me how to do it anyways today, so I thought I'd just bring y'all along with me. What even is chicken Pelau? Pelau is a one-pot meal that originated in Trinidad and Tobago. It consists of caramelized meat, parboiled rice, and pigeon peas. It has a unique Caribbean flavor profile because it consists of coconut milk and grind seasoning. It is an East Indian pilaf blended with the African tradition of meat caramelization. It's flavorful, affordable. Let's get into making it. So far, just tell them what you've done already.
Okay, so far, chicken, we cleaned the chicken and cut it up into smaller pieces and soaked it in vinegar. Rinsed it off, and now we're gonna season it up.
So we're gonna go over the main ingredients first, and then we'll go over the seasonings. So my mom's gonna go over those with y'all now.
Okay, so main ingredients: pigeon peas, coconut milk, garlic paste.
Oh, you need your long grain parboiled rice.
For sure.
That's the one.
This here is one of the main things that you're gonna need. It's cilantro, homemade grind seasoning. In here, you have cilantro, onions, scallions, hot peppers that I put in there.
Garlic sometimes.
Garlic, yes. Habanero peppers, nice and hot. Goya seasoning adobo, badilla, cayenne pepper, just a little pepper for spiciness. Of course, you need some salt, please. Maggi bouillon cubes. Oops.
And depending on where you're from, you might not even recognize these. But we go to the international market to get stuff like for the grind seasoning and for like these Maggi cubes and stuff. I'm pretty sure you could get peppers at any grocery store.
Giant or
yeah.
Walmart. Maggi seasoning, browning. So there's another way you can do it. There's another way to do the browning, which is the traditional way where they heat the pot, put the oil in there, let it bubble up. You know, put brown sugar in there, let it bubble up like three times, and it caramelizes the sugar and makes the, you're able to brown that chicken.
That's actually really hard to do. I tried to do it one time. My entire Pelau was burnt up.
Yeah.
Like it was black.
It's a skill, and I'm not about it today. So we'll use this browning, and it works pretty good. This is pimiento peppers, another seasoning that I like to use to flavor up my chicken.
And this is Birdie's. We get this from Amazon.
Yeah.
It's getting smaller by the day. It's from Trinidad too, but it's really good, but it is expensive.
Yes.
I don't know if you need that.
Yes, you do.
Okay.
And this is just Montreal chicken seasoning. Just chicken seasoning to flavor it up. And oil, of course. Okay.
Olive oil.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning up my chicken.
And then this, the last thing I'm gonna show y'all is just these Saison packets.
And this one has cilantro in it, and it's really good for flavor. Yeah. Put my oil.
And this is olive oil, by the way.
That's what we like to use. So if you have a preference, go at it.
If you don't have grind seasoning, then don't even do it.
That's what to say.
Yeah. This is my nephew. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
So like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you, Z.
This is relatively cheap. Like how much? And you obviously don't have to make this much if you're like a single person or whatever. But this is something that I wanted to learn how to make because I am moving out soon. And it's affordable, it's easy, and it's a lot of food that can last you a long time. Easy, affordable, cheap.
Yeah, and flavorful. You know, one pot meal. So chicken, beans, rice. You know, salad on the side. You're good.
Okay, so we're about to let this sit for about 35 minutes just to absorb some of the seasonings and whatnot. She was saying the longer the better, but it's 8:30 already. So we're gonna let it sit as long as we can, and we'll get back to y'all.
My oil is getting hot there first. Then I'll add my chicken. So let me just show you what it looks like. This one up, and then you have to remember to chop it down because they're coconut milk. Pigeon peas.
And now we're adding the peas into there. And how many? I think we're gonna do 1.5
1.5
cans each.
Yeah.
What are you
I'm waiting for this to bubble, you know, and then I'll turn on my stove on here and just let it simmer.
Until it dries up.
Until it dries up, yeah.
Okay.
And then you will just test for flavor.
You want to add the habaneros in there?
Oh yes, yes.
So habaneros is good to have in your pot while it's cooking because it will like absorb the flavor and whatnot. Very bust. So how many per pot are you gonna put in there? 2 per pot.
And I hope it.
Probably 3. Oh, they're fat though.
Yeah, they're
Oh,
and they're very spicy.
See how huge that is?
And they're very hot.
Yeah. So it absorbs in the while it's simmering down.
Always remember from the bottom to the top.
The only other thing that is going to need to be fixed up a little bit is just for the color's sake, adding a little bit more browning.
Yeah.
It's looking a little.
It's a little pale. So once you put your water in, then you could turn the stove down to like medium heat. Let it start bubbling a little bit in here, and then you can finally turn it down so it can simmer.
So see how this one's bubbling? Soon it'll be time to turn it down, right?
Yeah. You're next, that's it. And you put your pot cover halfway just like. See? Do a little area. Little gap. Alright, now this one.
It's basically just steaming right now. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you made it to the end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Come see us again.